Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you where to find the White Winged Tern in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. So guys, this is one of the Call of Wheels event bird, and you can find this bird at the flower field, specifically at the Whale Mountain. So if you want to find this bird, just go to this area. Okay, this is the location on the map. You're going to go to the Whale Mountain. And when you're lucky, you will find this bird. And even though the bird event has not been started yet, you can still find this bird. Oops, sorry, this is not the white winged tern. Okay, this one, I'm gonna capture it. And okay guys, that's how you can find the white winged tern in Heartopia Wheels event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys.